Write here today's date 5/1/22. Write here C.W. Write here heading A HOUSE house, WITH with GARDEN garden, a house with garden. Now we will draw first of all a house. For that, draw two slipping lines. Then on the first slipping line, draw two slanting lines and join these two slanting lines with the downside of slipping line. Now draw here one standing line, another standing line, and join it with the slipping line. Now we will draw door and two windows. For that, draw two squares and draw one standing and slipping lines like this. Now we will draw one square more here and standing line and slipping line. Now on the top we will draw two big standing lines and one small oval shape like this. Now we will make road. For that you have to draw two slanting lines and draw small slipping lines like this. Now here we will draw two slipping lines, one standing line, half curve, and draw another standing line. Same way, two slipping lines and a curve like this, two slipping lines and a curve like this. Same way we will draw here two slipping lines and two standing lines, make a curve, again two slipping lines and a curve, two slipping lines and a curve like this. Now we will draw here flowers. So one circle, curves like this, and draw a leaf. Now we will make another flower like this. Like this you have to make flowers. And here you have to make grass. Your house with garden is ready.